Once the Studio base unit, components, and accessories are all loaded into the assembly site, unpackage everything and stage it for assembly. Position a protective blanket behind the Studio base unit, as it will need to be lifted and laid carefully on its backside to install the casters. Now remove the strapping, the base unit box top lid, and pull down the plastic sheeting. With the box base lid still in place, tilt and lift the Studio onto its backside atop the blanket, and then remove the boxed base lid and remaining sheeting. Positioning a second protective blanket, open box 1 and locate the assembly hardware kit and printed assembly instructions. Then continue to unbox and organize all the accessory components to stage them for assembly. In preparation for attaching the casters, locate the large flat washers and smaller locking washers, making sure each caster is unlocked.